So, about how long have you been doing YouTube actually YouTube in general?
I started doing the YouTube videos.
Well, I'm having difficulty filling time because you're not really talking a whole lot. No, nice. Nice. All right, so Skip Smith, now you are a YouTuber here in the Villages, Florida.
I'm a YouTube star.
You are a YouTube legend. Hey, I see you on the other side.
I am on the I've been on the right there's good.
Okay.
Do you know where the girls were at?
No.
Okay. Do we care?
Not really.
All right.
So, we're going to get in so much trouble for this. But,
I'm not.
Yeah.
We never watch your channel.
Nice. Really good. All right. And when you walk around with Skip Smith, somebody famous, this is what happens. Now, if you see, there's a lot of wild animals on the wall. You have a wild Skip Smith on the floor. Beer of the day? Ha! What an amateur. Brewery of the day. Beat that, Skip Smith. Ha ha ha. And see you on the other side. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh.